All right, I'm in the general area of the Weather Center here with Chief Meteorologist Lainey Pope. We had another great food drive today. It got chilly when the sun went down.
Oh, absolutely.
As it does this time of year, and we're closing in on the shortest day of the year. Then the days will start getting a little longer and longer.
Right.
For now, the days are about to start getting colder and colder again, aren't they?
They are. Today we actually had temps in the 50s, which was nice. That's pretty much where we should be. In fact, we were a little warmer than normal today, but those temps are on their way down again because a front is moving through the area as we speak. But this afternoon felt pretty good, didn't it? 56 for a high, average is 53. Had that breeze out there. It was a warm wind. Now it's turned into a cold wind as that front is moving through. Temperatures are in the mid to upper 40s right now. Not too bad across the Triad, but they are turning much colder in the mountains right now in the 30s, and that wind now blowing out of the west and northwest at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. Some gusts that we have seen just in the last hour, still at about 15 to 20. A little higher. Earlier today, we actually had some gusts that were approaching 40 miles an hour, places like Jefferson, Greensboro, as well as Lexington. Our front is bringing in some colder air, and for folks to the north, some snow, and in our mountain communities, a little bit of snow. Actually had a few sprinkles too across the Piedmont Triad as this made its way through our area. We are anticipating snow to continue, though, in the mountains, especially high up and on those west-facing slopes. So Grayson County, Ashe, and Watauga will get measurable snow, likely over an inch. And then we'll see some lesser totals across parts of Allegheny, as well as up into Galax and Carroll County. You do see some snow showers right now from Fancy Gap back toward Galax, along Highway 21 and 221 there, around Wilkes County as well as Allegheny County. And so we do have some concerns for travel as temperatures are getting down below freezing. So those snow showers will kind of continue off and on throughout the nighttime. Otherwise, it's clear skies east across the Piedmont Triad. Morning temperatures are down near freezing tomorrow. We've got sunshine for you tomorrow, but it is a cold, sunny day. High temperatures are only in the 40s tomorrow afternoon. We've got that northwest wind gusting at times to 25, 30 miles an hour early tomorrow morning. The gusts will come down as we go through the day, but we're going to have a cold wind for most of the day. Forecast wind chill values tomorrow morning will be in the teens in the mountains, and feels like temperatures by midday will be in the 30s across the Piedmont Triad. And in the afternoon, even though we've got highs in the 40s, you're going to want to dress for temps like this, where we have wind chill values that are in the 20s and 30s for most of the day tomorrow. West-northwest wind at 10 to 20 miles an hour. Our high is 43, morning low 31. In the foothills, Wilkesboro, Yadkinville, 30 to start, 42 tomorrow afternoon. Again, it's going to feel colder than that. And in the mountains, we've got a high of 32, also with that breezy northwest wind, which will keep things feeling cold, like it's in the teens and 20s. We do have another front coming in. We're going to warm up ahead of it on Saturday in time for holiday parades. So we've got Advance, Thomasville, Madison, Mayodan. Those are morning midday parades where temperatures won't be terribly cold. We'll be in the 40s on Saturday with some sun, and then actually peaking in the low to mid 50s by afternoon for Walnut Cove, Stokesdale, Boone, and Gibsonville. Holiday parades for the evening, though, those temperatures going down. Ramseur and Eden, we do have clear skies, though, for you on Saturday. Sunday right now looks pretty dry. We've got temperatures, though, that are much colder. So once that front moves through Saturday night into early Sunday, we'll keep in a small chance of morning rain Sunday. But look at the temperatures tumbling again. 30s for highs, down into the teens and low 20s Monday and Tuesday morning. Stay with us. We'll be right back.
First Warning Radar, the Triad's only local live radar, exclusively on WXII 12 First Warning Weather.